Hello and welcome back to Products of the Day. Today, we're exploring a collection of unique and helpful kitchen products that will enhance your kitchen experience, or at least make it a little less daunting for those of us who are still scared of the kitchen. Here's a quick reminder that the links to all of these products are in the comments, and now let's dive in. This is the Seropy Drying Rack, a versatile and space-saving solution for your kitchen. Available in different sizes, this high-quality rack is made of durable 304 stainless steel, supporting up to 33 pounds. It serves multiple purposes as a dish drainer, vegetable colander, trivet mat, sink caddy, and more. Its rollable design with 15 stainless steel tubes allows for easy use and storage, freeing up valuable counter space. Heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, this rack is perfect for cooling hot pans or thawing frozen items. Maximize organization and storage with this functional and stylish over-the-sink drying rack. This is the NUTRI FIT Scale with a 3-in-1 design. This scale combines a bamboo cutting board, an anti-fingerprint tray, and a high-precision strain gauge sensor system. It offers accurate weight measurement with an 11 pounds per 5 kilograms capacity and 0.1 Oz/1G division. The scale features a premium electronic cutting bamboo board, easy operation with a clear LCD display and multiple units, and comes with a food tray, chopping board, and batteries. Upgrade your cooking experience with this convenient and stylish kitchen scale. Say goodbye to messy kitchen drawers with the Calmbee bag and wraps organizer. This all-in-one set features a plastic wrap dispenser with cutter, a food storage bag organizer, and a drawer storage box. Made of premium bamboo, it adds a touch of durability and style to your kitchen. And with the option to put on the wall or in a drawer, you can experience convenience and tidiness wherever it fits best. Introducing the ROMSTO 2-in-1 Bag Sealer/Cutter, a compact and essential kitchen tool. With its unique design, it effortlessly opens bags and provides a tight seal. No preheating is required, making sealing quick and convenient. Its mini size and portability make it perfect for on-the-go use. Preserve food freshness and prevent leaks with this versatile bag sealer. Struggle with cutting fruits and vegetables? Well, no longer. This is the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, a versatile cooking gadget that simplifies your food preparation. With 4 interchangeable blades, effortlessly julienne, chop, and slice vegetables. The built-in chop lid allows you to cut foods directly into the 1.2L collection tray, eliminating the mess of a knife and cutting board. The rust-resistant, heavy-duty 420 stainless steel blades retain sharpness for precise cutting and grating. The soft grip handle with rubberized TPU enhances leverage, while the non-skid base ensures stability during use. This compact chopper is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Make cooking easier and faster with this 7-piece set, the final addition to your kitchen in this video. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed and found something useful to upgrade your kitchen. If not, that's fine. Check out our other videos to see if there is something else to upgrade your day-to-day life. This has been Products of the Day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and pick up these essential products, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.